My name is Sonal Khullar, and I'm going to just say a few words introducing the panel and its theme before I introduce each of the speakers at once, and then we'll have two papers and lots of time for question and answers. I was struck in thinking about the theme of this panel, institutional histories, by Sarah's remarks this morning about the conference theme and the way that we as organizers would like to think of the exhibition as material and as method. And reading the papers that I received for this panel in particular, I was reminded of the historian Shahid Amin's book, Event, Memory, Metaphor. Because in both papers, the exhibition emerges as a kind of impermanent institution. Both papers think about the afterlives, or maybe even the aftershock of exhibitions, these incredibly mobile, itinerant, unstable, and ephemeral forms, but that continue to propel exhibition making and art historical thinking. I was also struck reading the papers by the difficulties and rewards of researching exhibitions, a theme that's come up with the last panel and that I hope that we'll all talk about going forward. Both of these papers take up exhibitions that are mid-20th century exhibitions and for which we don't have necessarily the same kind of materials, archival materials or otherwise, with which to reconstruct their form and reception. All right, the three panelists. We'll first hear a paper called Museum Bhavan from Holly Schaefer. Holly is Mellon postdoctoral scholar in the humanities at Dartmouth College. She received her PhD from Yale University, where she wrote a dissertation on Maratha art in India and Britain, 1700 to 1900. The next paper will be jointly presented by Lotte Hook and Sanjukta Sundaresan. That paper is titled Journeying Through Modernism, Travels and Transit of East Pakistani Artists in Early 1950s London. Lotte is senior lecturer in social anthropology at the University of Edinburgh and the author of Cut Pieces, Celluloid Obscenity and Popular Cinema in Bangladesh, which won the Bernard Cohn Prize of the Association of Asian Studies in 2016. Sanjukta Sundaresan is assistant professor of modern South Asian studies at Leiden University and is at work on a book, Painters and Partisans, Left-Wing Aesthetics in India. Please join me in welcoming the speakers.